What's up, guys? Let me guess, your oven isn't working correctly and that's why you're here tonight. Mike here on DIY Mike, where I show you how to do it yourself. Today we're going to talk about electric ovens, and the most common reason that an oven won't heat up is because the element has failed. Now if you look here at these images, you can see what a burnt out element looks like, and that is one way to tell, but sometimes the elements aren't visibly damaged at all, and I'm going to go over how to diagnose that for you also. So let's get to it. Alright, first and foremost, unplug the electric. Now I already took these screws out, but they're here, 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 and here, and one right there. So I took all those screws out just to save a little bit of time in this video. So now you want to take the back panel off, and be careful because the edges are sharp. That's nested metal. It can cut you really fast, and it hurts. It hurts. It's not comfortable at all. Now right here you have the connections. The top here, that's where the top broil element is. See that connection there? I'm going to pull that off. And the other connection right here with the yellow wire, this is the back of the heating element. So you want to take those wires off so we can remove the element through the oven. So now we're going to get to removing the element. I'm sorry, now we are going to show you the other way to determine whether or not this is bad. You want to set this to a continuity. See that little mark there? That's the continuity. And you want to test the element for continuity. And you'll see here that the meter won't move at all, which means there's an open line or an open circuit. So that tells you that the element is bad. Now, if the meter were to beep, then you would know it was a good element. So let's get down to moving it. It's really simple. You just take these two screws out right here in the back. Got my trusty 1/4-inch nut driver on my Ryobi. And boom, screw number 1. And come on, Michael, hurry your ass up. Screw number 2. Booyah. Old element. Let's pull it straight out. See how easy that was? No problem. Shouldn't even stress about it. I'm grabbing the new one here. I'm going to slide the new one back in. Now the holes are pretty small. You got to make sure you line it up. Even make sure you get it through the back of the oven. Okay. So do one side at a time, and boom, and you're all set. Now here, I had some trouble. You guys can laugh at me, have fun with it all you want. I couldn't get the damn screws to go in. Tried over and over, and I did eventually get it after a little bit of frustration. And here's another fail. Oh yeah, epic fail. Ah, what a pain in my ass it was. So I ended up having to apply some pressure to the coil because that little plate there on the back of it was kind of spring loaded, if you will. Oh, see, drop the screw. We're just going to grab the other one. I think this is my 5th attempt now at trying to get this in. I mean, that's horrible. Oh, knock the screw sideways. So anyway, while this is going on, you can get your elements at a local appliance store. You could probably order them online. And to find your model number, if you don't know what the model or serial number is of your oven, usually the bottom drawer where you would put pots and pans, there's a sticker there that has the model number. And it's best to just take a picture of it, because if you're like me, every now and then you're going to transpose a number or a letter and you're going to have totally the wrong thing. And there you go, finished product. Be sure to reconnect your wires. You just push them back on just like so, and very easily done. So let's go around back. We're going to screw this back on. I did a quick time lapse of that just so we didn't waste time. And there you have it. Look at that nice hot red element. Alright, so that's how you fix an oven. Hopefully this was helpful, saved you guys some money calling a repairman or whatnot. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I want to hear your stories of how your oven repair went down below. And we're going to do a video about what's in here tomorrow. This is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to improve the audio quality to you, because right now we have a bunch of wind in the background, and
this is tomorrow's video. Surprise, surprise. And that's it. We'll see you tomorrow.